To my husband-to-be. Ito na babe ang matagal nating inaantay. Nandito na tayo sa next chapter ng relationship natin. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa gift ko. Kasi malaki na yung screen na paglalaruan mo ng Mobile Legends. See you later babe. I love you so much. Love, Charmaine. Oh, malaki na panlaro.
Installment yan.
Pero
Installment.
talo pa din. Di pa fully paid siguro to. Baka. Hindi natin sure.
Babe, Julius, first of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you for taking good care of me. Thank you for your patience. And thank you for loving me unconditionally. You're my God's answered prayer. You've taught me what it means to truly love and be loved. I fell for you because for the first time in a long time, I felt true love and peace.
Mga pangarap laging sa'yo pumapatungo. Pag-ibig ko ikaw ang aking payapa.
My dearest Charmaine, my babe, now my wife.
Aking
You know, from the moment you came into my life, everything started moving at a lightning speed. Alam mo yan. But somehow, it felt perfectly right. So a few months, I knew that what we had wasn't just a
sagot sa
it was a
aking tanong. Ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim. Sa mundo kong puro pero ikaw ang aking sigurado. Kahit ano pa mang daan, ilang pintuan may buksan.
It's amazing how all those heartbreaks, betrayals, and disappointments, everything that I endured in the past was all erased because of you. You're a beautiful reminder that God's timing is perfect, that every tear and prayer was worth it.
Pagkat natagpuan ko na aking tahanan. O pag-ibig ko, ikaw ang aking payapa, ang aking hilom. Dinalangin payapa, sagot sa aking tanong. Ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim. Sa bukas na darating, ikaw ang gabay kong bituin. Saysay at dahilan ko, buhay ng aking kwento. Sa mundo kong
make me laugh even when I'm trying to be serious, make me fall in love with more every single day. I promise to be your partner in adventure, your calm in the chaos, and number one fan in everything. I may not have all the answers, but I do know this. I want to spend the rest of my life learning how to love you even better. You're my forever, my best decision ever, and my favorite person palagi.
palagi.
Congratulations, eto na. Ano? Bakit? Kung ano man na problema dumating, nandito nung kami ng papa at mama at kapatid mo. Mahal ka namin. Alam mo na.
Sa tulad ng sinabi ng mama, andyan na kami para sa iyo. Sa alaga ka namin, yung mga kapatid mo, andyan na kami lahat para sa iyo.
Thank you, pa.
Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo.
Today, I vow to love you without holding back, to stand with you through every season, to be your partner in dreams and challenges. I promise to choose you over and over again because with you, even the ordinary feels extraordinary. I promise to stand by you in every season of our lives, with the days that feel effortless and the days that test us. I don't know what the future will bring, but I know that I want to face every single part of it with you. I love you so much, babe.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang
Hi, babe. Every great love story deserves to be captured. Beyond the places we will go to, beyond the adventures we will partake in, are all the laughter we'll share, the love will nourish the growth, and the moments we'll cherish. They are all worthy to be rolled into beautiful memories as husband and wife. And so with this, DJ Osmo Action 5 Pro, hindi pa fully paid. Sabay pa namin babayaran. May we record not just images, but the story of our love. One frame at a time. I love you so much, babe. Enjoy. Hello.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin
Be good boy. Be good husband.
Good health and be a good husband.
Thank you for being supportive for the very first day, pag-propose pa lang, until everything, financial, everything, emotional, everything. Appreciate the help and ayun nga, thank you very much and for supporting my next chapter of my life.
Bituin, nagtatangi kung dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw.
sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Mahal sa huli palagi pipiliin kong